How to download VMware on Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your browser on your PC. And then in the search browser, simply search for filehippo.com. Once you search for that, you want to go ahead and simply search for VMware Player in the software. Once you search for that, you'll then be able to find it right over here. Simply tap on Download. It may take a while. You want to go ahead and tap on Download the latest version for Windows. And then the downloading will get started right over here. As you can see, the download has started and it's going to take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection. And as you can see, the download has completed. Go ahead and tap on it. Then, after you tap on it, the installation will begin. Then tap on Next. And then simply select the I accept the terms in the license agreement button. Then tap on Next again. And after that, go ahead and tap on Install. And just like so, the installation will begin. And after the installation has been completed, you are good to go. And that's how you can download VMware on Windows 11. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.